Hi everyone, it's Maria Fons, and today I'm working on a project that aims to help people to be more disciplined and accountable with their goals and dreams. I'm gonna walk you through my design process and maybe you can get some insights and tips for your own projects. Let's do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to define which design process I'm gonna follow. I usually use design thinking, very suitable option for IT related stuff, like if you're developing a website or an app. But because we're working with a physical product, I decided to use the double diamond, which is a strategy that you can use to design whatever you want to design. So I think for this case, this is very ideal because I don't have a perfect idea of what I want. I know I want a physical product. It might be a journal, it might be a workbook. So the first thing we're going to do is to diverge and discover what it is that we are actually designing and hopefully get some ideas of like the aesthetics and so on. So I'm just gonna go to Canva where I'm gonna get some ideas for, I don't know, accountability journals. So also do some research on Pinterest. Those are the mainstream places where you can get some ideas from, but I do like to use other websites, but just for now because we are still figuring out what product we are going to develop. I'm going to stick with those two, and then as we have the product we'll go to some other websites. So let's see what Canva has here. This is not it. What I'm gonna do is open a Figma file. Let's make a frame here, and this will be concept. Yeah. So I'm just gonna type here some prompts that I think could be something that I actually want in my projects. Cool, I think this is enough for the video. I'll do some more research on this, but you got the idea. So like I'm just first trying to understand what it is that I'm actually trying to build. I'm looking at some inspiration and trying to get a little bit of sense of aesthetics, but also like the prompts and the important things that should be in this planner. Now, we also need to understand what people who use these planners, devices, whatever it is, how do they interact with them? So what I'm gonna do is Google, or better said, YouTube, my journaling habit. Okay, let's see this one.
Notebook. It doesn't matter what size, it can have lines or not, it doesn't matter what happened in my day and my thoughts about it.
So she does that 5 to 10 minutes a day. My daily journaling habit, 15 minutes about it. Okay, let's see. Okay, she's got candles. Nice.
Last year, I entered my 30s and wondering what life was going to look like in this new decade.
I don't think this is our target customer. I'm thinking about a person who's pursuing their dreams and goals, you know, some sort of ambitious. I'm sorry, I don't mean to say she's not ambitious, but what I'm saying is I'm guessing I'm building this for people who are in a hustle. So I'm guessing they don't have a lot of time to work on this journal. So I'm thinking a person would spend like an average of 5 to 10 minutes, not more than 10, and like hopefully less than 5 a day on this journal. So yeah, I don't think I can learn a lot from that video, but this is good because now we know a little bit more what is the target audience that we're focusing on. So I will write that down. pretty cool. I like it. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this picture because I actually love it. That's pretty cool. Very visual. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is to open up. Sometimes we think we know what we want, but we might not know, and there might have some ideas out there that can help you to better do whatever you're trying to do. So do spend a lot of time browsing, opening your mind, and trying to not like be stuck in a plan. I do have a few ideas. I have an idea that I want it to be minimalistic. I have an idea that I want the person to like really think about whatever they're writing here. Like if they've accomplished the goals that they've done, amazing. What helped that to happen? But if they didn't, what stopped them to do whatever they said they were going to do? And so just really creating this accountability and like tracking what is happening. Why are you succeeding or not in your following your goals? So that's it for today. That's the first part of the process. In the next video, we'll talk about narrowing down. After you've done this huge amount of research, how are you going to narrow it down? So that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.